Who is it? Who is it? You gotta wait. Thomas? Say hi, Thomas. Say hi. Yeah, you wanna go get him?
Party train! Choo
Choo
choo!
choo.
Choo choo!
Choo choo. Hey, it's up here.
Yep, this is where we're gonna sit.
I can sit right here as my grandma.
Yep, you sit right there with your grandma. Oh, Larry.
What are we doing?
I love you. Here we go.
We're going. We're moving, or that train's moving.
Everybody's waving.
Oh yeah, just keep up on both sides.
You know what person's favorite job is?
Fine. That would be really fun. I think Thomas is a good driver.
Did you ever think you'd get to ride on Thomas?
Is it fun riding down it?
Oh, I see.
The big one.
That was a big one. You're right.
Thomas? Alright. On your hand?
There you are.
She wants it on that hand. On that hand.
She's very specific.
Yeah.
Brady, you have to put the train.
Don't touch it, Micah. No, no, no. Micah, just let go of it, honey.
Nope, the other one. No, you have to put it in this one. Good. Okay, now take this penny and you put it in this one. Oh, no. There you go. Okay, now push it in. Turn handle 4 times clockwise.